Yo, what's going on, guys? Kimuta here today, and today's video is a little test of my GoPro. Um, that car driver was a bit silly, I'm not gonna lie. Shouldn't be crossing over like that on solid white line, especially on Blackmore Tunnel. Might get in trouble for that, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is gonna be a test for my GoPro. So, as you guys may know, I did a I did do a GoPro unboxing video. Obviously, it wasn't the best. It wasn't most professional things in the world, but it is what it is. I have a lot of work to do as a YouTuber and a streamer. I know I'm not the best, and I know I've got a lot of things to work on. So let's carry on with our day. So as you guys can see, another motorbike idiot crossing on double solid white lines. Look at this. Oh my goodness, what a crazy guy. Should be doing that, especially in this tunnel. It's a bit of a mad one. If you crash in this tunnel, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the amount of delays you're gonna cause, yeah, it's a bit of a mad one. Like literally, you're on the water. It's just a big old long tunnel. It's crazy. It's crazy. I wouldn't be doing anything like that. That's why I'm giving a distance from like cars ahead, mainly because obviously better be safe than sorry. And I think the speed limit on there is like 30 miles per hour. For you Americans, that's quite easy to understand, but for the Europeans, which don't do miles per hour, they do kilometers, dude. I don't even know how fast that is in kilometers, so I do apologize. But as you guys can see, we just were in a tunnel, and then obviously we saw the bright light, brighter than my future sort of thing. We're outside, out on road. As you guys can see, like the camera quality is actually not bad at all. Yeah, I'm gonna sneeze. Gonna try and hold that in. But as you can see, the camera quality is not bad at all. Yeah, so like I'm looking at the video right now, yeah, and it looks 10/10. I'm not gonna lie. My windscreen my windscreen needs a bit of washing or a bit of taking care of, and I don't know. I just like you can see like bits here and there and stuff like that. It's a bit of a mad one, I'm not gonna lie. I do need to like put some rubbing alcohol or something on my windscreen. I was looking at the footage, I was like, oh, why is that there? Why is that like this? Why is this like this? So it's kind of annoying. But overall, you guys are gonna see like different areas of obviously of the roads and different lighting scenarios, so you guys can obviously see how the camera does. So we had tunnels, we're gonna get trees, single roads, bright roads, a bit of everything roads. Obviously there's bumps as well, so obviously my car's kind of good with taking the bumps here and there, and the GoPro itself with the stabilization that they've obviously put into place with the camera should take care of a lot of that as well. It's kind of windy out there. You can see that window. I'm not sure when I recorded this. So I think this was like 2-3 weeks before. I think it might be a month here. So that's why the weather looks how it does now. It's probably way better than it is currently. It's like, you know, less depressing, as you guys can see. I don't even know what to talk about in this video. Literally, I'm just gonna carry on, see what happens, and yes, not much really happens on the road. There was 1 or 2 instances where there's some cool stuff happening or some weird stuff happening, but overall the GoPro only came on. Like the GoPro battery, yeah, it's trash, mate. I'm not gonna lie. If you are gonna buy a GoPro, make sure you buy the batteries, spare batteries and stuff like that, and also accessories wise. Don't buy them from eBay. It's not worth it. Just buy the extra. Just pay the extra. Just a tiny bit extra. Emphasis on the bit extra. It's probably better. They do work. Like this car mount thing. It's not bad, but you'll probably see when I turn. It might be my fault. It might be something's fault. But when I turn, sometimes like the camera just goes over to the right or to the left, depending on what side I've taken the corner on. So I don't even know, but it is what it is. I'm gonna obviously. I think you're gonna see it now. So as soon as I probably turn this this corner, you're gonna see the bloody camera go over to the right or to the left, depending on how it is. Look how dirty my windshield is. Jesus Christ! Look at that. Look at that. Did you see that? That was crazy. My GoPro just turned and was like, bye bye. I'm gonna show your phone screen. Now, luckily you can't see my phone screen. My phone's just there chilling, killing and billing. So literally what I want to talk about is the GoPro itself. Not bad. Would you have this as dash cam? Nah, not really. It's not really worth it as a dash cam unless you're going on really short journeys. But if you're gonna do like a 30 minutes plus journey for the GoPro, to be honest, it's not good for it. Battery is just gonna suck the fun out of it, and you're gonna have to change it to make sure that everything's actually operational and smooth. That's basically it. But there's not much else I can really say about the GoPro, you know. Like guys can just see it for yourselves. Like the brightness, the quality, the everything else is kind of smooth. The only thing you can obviously test is the microphone. Then again, you don't really need to be testing out the microphone levels in this when you're driving. Obviously, I've got copyrighted music in the background, and it's not really worth it, is it? So unless you want to use this as the dash cam, I think you can. There's an option where it tells you I think it's like a GPS thing, so it tells you what your coordinates are and the time. So for insurance purposes, that might be good. So if you've got the right accurate time and the accurate date on there, and obviously I don't know the coordinates wise, I don't know how smooth it actually works, or if it actually has coordinates. I'm just going with what I think I've seen, but it does have time and day. So if you're gonna use that for your obviously insurance purposes, that's kind of good. But obviously you need to have the time and day option open on the GoPro, and you'll be able to see in one of the corners or the bottom or the top time and day. Basically it. I don't know what happened here. I think I changed my camera angle. So you're getting a bit more of the obviously hood. UK roads, very easy to drive on. I don't know if you guys are aware. I haven't driven any like European roads, to be honest with you, but obviously I grew up in Italy. The road there don't look too bad, to be fair, but I don't know, it's a bit of a sticky one still. Even like France and stuff. Like if you go to France, yeah, a lot of the cars are like dented. Even in Italy, you know, a lot of the cars are dented. Like over here in the UK, I've seen that you go to a major city, a lot of the cars are not dented or nothing, mate. It's a bit crazy how everything else works. Then again, in the UK, it's a lot more stricter and stuff. I'm not sure what happens over in the European countries and America and anywhere else, but it's a bit wild. That's the only thing I like about the UK. You know, you need to be like they take the cars seriously and stuff like that. If you go to France, go to actually a bit to Netherlands. Netherlands wasn't too bad as well, to be fair. So Netherlands is also a good one, but it is what it is. So yeah, anywhere there you see like a beaten up car, like there's no tomorrow. But yeah. I don't know what else to really talk about. This is a very long video, and I'm just gonna tell you about my life really and how I started driving or something. What I'm gonna do is gonna tell you when I started driving. So I started driving at the age of 17, going into my 18. I passed my test, and then I managed to get myself a my first car. My first car was a Peugeot 208. Shout out to the Peugeots, French things. That was my first car. This is my second car. You currently can't see this one. I can't tell you what it is just because of privacy. If you guys can figure out what car it is, 10/10. I'll respect that. If you guys actually, you guys might be able to tell. Yeah, if you guys can tell me what car, what make and model this car is, yeah. Fair play to you. You know your cars. You know your car knowledge, dude. Yeah. So if you can guess my car, 10/10, you get 10 points. But yeah, this is my second car. My third car is probably gonna be a Tesla or something electric. Mainly to just start getting ready for this electric stuff that's happening. You can see how dirty my windscreen is. It's got like little dots on it as well. I don't know, it's weird. I think I need to get my windscreen replaced. You know, it's a bit of a mad one. Look, sharp corner. Look at that. Camera just goes to the right completely and then just focuses up in the middle. it might be to do with me. It might be to do with something else. I'm not sure myself. But yeah. So if you're gonna buy a mount, don't buy it from eBay, or just tighten it correctly, or test it out before. Obviously, you want to do something serious with it. As you can see, this is just a test. So it is what it is. And yeah. So let's carry on with what I was talking about. So yeah. So I started driving when I was 17. So I've literally held my license for like 5+ more years. I've the insurance is probably like one of the most expensive things here in the UK. If you're a you're a if you're gonna start driving and stuff, it's a bit of a mad one. Not gonna lie. I think my first year for insurance was about 1,700 or something pounds. It's something ridiculous. It's not right. I'm not gonna lie. If you're a first time driver in the UK and you're really young, get ready to pay up. Literally. They like their money. I'm not gonna lie. It's very expensive to start driving and stuff. There's a lot of stuff that happens, and there's a lot of stuff that you need to do to start learning to drive. It's kind of annoying. I took a wrong turn here. I don't know what I was looking at. And then luckily enough, there was this side of the road that I could go up. And I think this was like the best mistake I made. I'm not gonna lie, because at the end of this road, yeah, you see man like cat and fox. I don't know if you guys see foxes outside your houses and stuff. So it's a bit of a weird one in the UK. They used to hunt foxes and stuff in the UK. You know, it's a bit mad what they did. I don't know. I don't actually know the history behind it, but I know that they like hunted foxes and all of that stuff, like out on road with like bed dogs and everything. And then obviously, I don't know if they banned it or it's just less common. I'm not sure. I'll have to Google that myself or something. But this it's you're technically not allowed to drive over pavement, but obviously if you have to, you have to. But yeah. Like driving in the UK, it's hella expensive, hella easy, but especially if you drive around London, don't even bother. It's just too much hassle. You've got this, that, and the other to start paying. Parking's nearly impossible. Like it's just hassle. Here you go. There's man like cat and man like fox. I don't know if they're gonna beef you. The fox got riled, mate. He was like, "Nah, don't come near me." And then the bloody motorbike ruined it for me. Oh, I was so annoyed when the motorbike went past. Man, I don't know what it is. Yeah, with motorbikes, yeah, they're the loudest thing in the world. Like, why? There's no need for them to be so bloody loud. Yeah, I understand that you don't need to be seen and heard and stuff, but jeez, it's hella annoying. I think he took away the muffler or the something from the exhaust. So obviously made it louder or something. I'm not sure. I do want to start riding a bike eventually. There was some like, oh my god, can you see the potholes or the bumps in this video? Boom, look at that. Mate, I'm rewatching the video now, yeah, and I can actually tell that the potholes are mad. Like I love driving this sort of roads with like trees around, like 60 miles per hour speed limit or whatever it is. Yeah, it's 10/10. Right, these are some of the nice driving experiences that I personally think are good. But yeah, the potholes were a bit mad. I'm not gonna lie. My car definitely needs new tires eventually. I need a new tire on my left one, just mainly because I think there's a little chip on it or something like that, and if you get your car MOT'd here in the UK, it'll probably fail. I'm not sure. I'm not certain. I literally don't know a lot about cars, to be honest with you. I just like cars. My dream car would be like a Nissan GTR, but unfortunately, due to everything else, I was meant to get one when I was 25. I'm 25 now, and look where I am. At least I'm driving this car. This car's kind of 10/10. I was gonna. You can get yourself free grass cutters or lawnmowers in the UK if you really want. Don't see them around on road a lot. If that was if that was, I'm assuming this is a nice area, and that's why obviously people just leaving things outside. But you do that anywhere else, yeah, that thing's getting robbed, mate. I'm telling you, yeah, this part of I'm not sure where I am here, just somewhere posh by the looks of it. So they've got nice houses, they want nice grass and everything else. So that's basically it. I don't know what else to really say. There isn't much left of the video, so I'm doing rather well. And even these roads, a bit of traffic, don't know why, but really nice to drive on, especially at night. The only thing is the federales obviously can hide in them. The thing with feds, or the police, there isn't that many on road no more. Like, you don't see them that often, yeah. And if you see them, it's like because they're around that area, if you get what I mean. Unless you're in London, but my area where I live, you barely see them, and especially if there's like there's not much crime around my area. I'm assuming that's why they're probably not there. But if you start venturing out a little bit more, then you start seeing them a little bit more. But then again, they've got like headquarters here, there, and there. So basically, you see them driving about and stuff. The thing is sometimes when you've got a police car driving behind you, you start panicking. You're like, "Raw, why is my man behind me? What if he stops me? What if something comes up?" Like, it's a headache. I think I've been stopped by the police twice, if I'm correct. Once was with my old car, and once was with this current car. Yeah, one with this current car. Was it twice? No, it's once. I've been stopped once with this car, and once with the other. And the other one was this one was a silly stop, mainly because I changed my number plate on my car, and obviously my insurance company didn't update it, or it wasn't updated properly. But it was updated on obviously on my end of stuff, but it wasn't updated on the DVLA. I think it's the DVLA. So the undercover Fed car stops me and is like, yeah, you're not insured. I'm like, hey, I should be. And then he was like, oh, when did you get this car? I was like, oh, I got this car like a week ago, but I think I changed my plate. So I was like, okay, have you got proof of insurance? I was like, right, okay, I see what's going on now. So I gave my man my phone because I had my insurance in it, and basically it had everything that it needed on there. It just obviously wasn't updated on there, and then they just let me go. I was with my dad, so I bet my dad was shook, like, hey, yo, what's going on? Luckily enough, I wasn't speeding, I'm not gonna lie. I had a little feeling. That there's something behind me or someone behind me, and then it was like, I ain't putting my foot down. It was a nice road, I'm not gonna lie. The speed limit was like 40 there. I usually go like just slightly over, but not majorly. But anyway, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys, and the video stopped. I'm just gonna carry on talking. So yeah, thank you all so much. Appreciate you guys, and yeah, take care of yourselves, and I hope this little commentary has helped you out to understand what's going on in the UK roads and the GoPro stuff. So appreciate you guys, and see you.